and mostly about the costing classes which I took from Purushottam Agarwal sir. I took the regular batch because I believed in Purushottam Agarwal sir from the before, from his YouTube videos, from his approach of study. So here we can talk about his like approach of how he makes a study very good in costing. I eventually scored 77 costing due to him. If he wouldn't be there, I think then passing in costing would have been a challenge for me. So we will talk how he teaches us. So he gives us basically 3 books. That is the summary theory, which contains all the answers to the some questions which haven't done, and also the summary, all the question answers, the last 6th question, which every costing student fears of. And then we have 2 modules. That is for the chapters, like this contains 8 chapters and this contains 7 chapters. So like that, it is divided into 2 modules. And sir will be doing every question in the class only. And then he tells us to prepare 2 types of register. That is, one is the concept register, in which we write all the formulas, all the basic, like what is the conception. Even revising, if you want to revise anything, concepts, then you can use this. And these 2 are the practical question register, where he makes us to solve all the question answers. Like you can see that in this, this is the EOQka, all the question answers, and here all the question answers have been done. There is no theory in it. So like that, he makes us to like properly arrange all the concepts, all the questions, so that we can easily get onto it after near the exam dates. He also makes us understand the concept by giving very funny examples in the class, making us easy to understand it, making us remember it for a longer period of time, so that we can easily comprehend the same thing while studying for the exam. So I guess if anybody wants to study costing, anybody wants an exemption in costing or to score very high in costing, he can definitely go to Purushottam sir. He is one of the renowned teacher, and also as per my personal experience, he is a very good teacher for the costing subject, as his experience and about his teaching methods, it is very good. And I request you to please approach him. And even if you are not sure about it, please watch his marathon classes, demo lectures, and you will understand why he is so famous for his costing subject teaching.